Alright, so here is my playbook now. I unboxed this a while ago, and I did a comparison. Here's another comparison against the iPad 2. So the playbook is it's actually really good on the machine. It's not as responsive as the iPad 2, but it's still pretty smooth. Good comparison would be going like this, and see that? It turns pretty much right away. So if you look at this one here, here's the playbook. A little bit of a delay, but still smooth. So it has its good attributes. Size-wise, of course, it's more portable. This feels a lot heavier, but it actually doesn't. It's almost about the same in weight. So. The other thing is thickness wise, let's double check. See, the iPad is slightly thinner, just slight. So, okay. And let's see what else is difference wise. So here's some of the apps. Scrolling's, like I said, pretty smooth. And if you had to change this, scrolling is always smooth on the iPad, so. Responsiveness of the keyboard is actually pretty good on the playbook. So I know that some tablets out there, like the Asus, have a slight lag to the keyboard, so like the transformer. So other than that, there's nothing else. Here's the backing on this. So. Nothing else too much to compare it with. Load times, I did it in my other comparison that the playbook does a little pretty quick for websites. So, and of course the flash capability does help quite a bit. So now any questions, comments, please post them below and subscribe to the channel.